Brands can have oceans of data at their fingertips. But oftentimes that data is siloed, overwhelming, and lacks actionable insights. Cart Unified Analytics is our proprietary recommendation engine that harmonizes data and identifies trends across your e-commerce operations. By combining your data into one centralized location, we help you take the best actions to increase your business performance. For example, you can increase margins up to 20% with our stock awareness tools that help you optimize ad spend and inventory. Our demand forecasting tool helps you predict your future inventory levels. You can then leverage this data to stock up on popular products and address slow-moving inventory to reduce storage costs. With less money tied up in inventory, you can focus on R&D and ad spend to drive sales growth. To go one step further, Cart's Attribution AI helps you identify the best places to spend your ad dollars. We do this by assigning revenue concentrations to different points in the shopper's journey. Our unique blend of marketing and fulfillment data allows you to optimize inventory and budget while maximizing sales performance. Get unparalleled visibility of your e-commerce operations with Cart Unified Analytics, a recommendation engine to power your business strategy, promote growth, and increase profitability. Sign up today.